Ladies and gentlemen, today we're delving into the latest advancements in Ferrari's 2025 Formula One Challenger, the SF-25, focusing on its enhanced rear-end mechanical grip. In the 2024 season, Ferrari's SF-25 exhibited commendable front-end stability. However, this came at the expense of rear traction, leading to challenges during acceleration out of corners. To address this, Ferrari's engineers have re-evaluated the car's mechanical balance, aiming to shift it towards the rear during dynamic phases. This shift is designed to provide the rear tires with increased grip, especially during acceleration. Sight turn 0 search 0. A key aspect of this development is the adjustment of the rear suspension's squat characteristics. Squat refers to the car's tendency to lower at the rear under acceleration. By fine-tuning the tilt of the rear suspension's wishbones, Ferrari aims to optimize load transfer, ensuring that a greater percentage passes through rigid elements like the suspension arms. This approach minimizes unwanted changes in wheel angles during dynamic phases, maintaining optimal tire contact with the track. Sight turn 0 search 0. Additionally, a lower squat value helps reduce variations in ride height, indirectly enhancing the stability of the aerodynamic platform. The underside of a Formula One car is designed to generate maximum downforce within a specific range of distances from the track surface. Maintaining this range is crucial for aerodynamic efficiency. Sight turn 0 search 0. Ferrari's engineers have conducted extensive tests to determine the optimal squat value that enhances traction without compromising high-speed stability. In the 2024 season, drivers Charles Leclerc and Carlos Sainz reported instances of excessive oversteer at high speeds, which affected the car's handling and performance. The adjustments made for the SF-25 aim to mitigate this issue, providing a more balanced driving experience. Sight turn 0 search 0. In summary, the SF-25's rear-end updates are a testament to Ferrari's commitment to refining mechanical balance and traction. By focusing on these areas, the team aims to deliver a car capable of competing at the highest level in the 2025 Formula One season. Thank you for watching. If you found this insight valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Ferrari's journey in Formula One.